guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple eyeshadow look. It's really basic, anybody can do it, beginners, and if you don't really feel like putting on makeup or you just want to do something simple, I'm going to show you how to do it, and yeah, let's just continue right on to it. Okay, so first things first is you want to go in with your white eyeshadow shade. I'm using the Naked palette, and it's a white shade and it's shimmery, and I'm going in with the shade called Virgin, and we're just sweeping it across our brow bones and across our eyelid. You just want to get it white and sparkly. You can use a white matte one, but I'm using a sparkly one. When you use sparkles, you usually want to make sure your eyebrows are plucked because it'll bring out your eyebrows. So I plucked my eyebrows for you guys. No, but I'm serious though. I did actually pluck them. But yeah, just keep on packing on that eyeshadow. And next, I'm going in with the shade Naked. It's just kind of like a natural kind of brown. It's neutral, I guess I should say. It's not warm tone, and we're sweeping it across the crease. As you can tell by me zooming in, I'm just sweeping it. I'm even going down the side of my nose. That's optional, but I like to do it because it also brings on a little bit of contouring there. And I'm kind of blending in up to my crease so it doesn't have a sharp line. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the eye. Go a little bit down the nose and then blend a little bit above where the white is, just so it's not so harsh, the line. Oh, and don't you guys love the faces that I make while putting on eyeshadow and mascara? Amazing. But yeah, and I'm just putting a little bit more in the inner corner. You know, the key is just blending, like I always say, blend, blend, blend until your arms fall off. Next, we're going in with the shade Buck. And you just want to do the same thing, sweep it across your crease. Go a little bit down the side of your nose. That's optional, but I like it. And just keep on going, keep blending in the same spot where you put your transition shade. And zoom. Just blend a little more. And it darkens it up, adds a little bit more definition to the eye. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side as well here in a minute. Yeah. See, another beautiful face. All courtesy eyeshadow and mascara faces. We should put that. Hashtag eyeshadow and mascara faces. But keep blending. Blend, make another silly face. And going in with the inner corner. And now I'm going in because it took away some of the white shade on my eyelid. And you can stop here and just put on your mascara, or you can go an extra step and you can put some on your waterline. Go in with the shade Buck and just put a little bit down there. There is fallout, but you can just sweep it. Just put it like where you would normally line your waterline. Well, this time I like using eyeshadow. I don't like using eye pencils on my waterline. But you just go in and you'll just use that color and sweep it underneath it, and it just looks like a pretty natural brown. It brings out the eyes a little bit and it adds a little extra pop to it. But I'm going in with the shade Dark Horse. It's a shiny kind of brown color, and just sweeping it underneath my eye too to darken it just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. We're not going for smoky eye, which is unusual for me because I love smoky eyes, but doing the same thing to the other side, and this is the finished eyeshadow look. And I of course put on fake eyelashes. I went a little natural, so that's what the white glue was on there, but this is the finished product. Voila! Thank you guys for watching and watching me do this natural eyeshadow look. As always, if you like it, try it out, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys. Have a good week. See you later.